Today, we will unbox the HP 15FQ 2010 NO notebook. In this video, you will know how we bought it online, how much it cost, our opinion about this notebook, and other useful information. In this package, there is obviously the notebook, also the charger, the warranty sheet, and information about it. Anyway, I'm Sofia Del Rosario and let's get started! This notebook HP 15S cost €899.90 plus €109.99 if you want additional warranty support. We ordered it on the Uniauto website with free shipping, and after 5 days, the package arrived at our home. Laptops suitable for editing videos must have at least 12 GB RAM. This notebook has a 2x8 GB memory structure, thus a 16 GB DDR4 SD-RAM installation, a more efficient and reliable model at higher speeds. It is very suitable for playing games and editing videos. Operating system including Windows 10 Home Silver. It has a 64-bit operating system architecture and a capacity of 512 GB SSD. This will help you a lot and speed up your computer. For those who save only documents or photos, the capacity is acceptable. But it is little for those who download many movies and videos, so I suggest instead to have an external hard drive if you want this notebook. As we see in the video, it has an 11th generation Intel Core i7 with a maximum frequency of the 4.7 GHz turbo processor. In 2016 of my unboxing video, we had bought a computer of this kind, but with the AMD Ryzen which cost us. After a few years of use, we were not very happy with the AMD Ryzen, so it would be better to buy the Intel Core even if it costs more, because it is very well known and has a lot of positive reviews. Pre-installed software are Dropbox and Netflix, and for trial software updates, there are McAfee LiveSafe, Microsoft Office 365, and ExpressVPN. It weighs 1,690 grams, making it very suitable for those who travel a lot or use their laptop outside the home. At first glance, it looks very durable and pretty, but looking at it, it looks a bit made of plastic, but it doesn't really matter. The screen size is 39.6 cm or 15.6 inch and has a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is the quality of the webcam. It is an HP TrueVision 720p HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphones. I am facing the sunlight, and as you can see, the quality is good for those who have an online school or for those attending meetings. It has a dual speakers, and I really like how it produces the sound because the speakers are close to the keyboard and the volume is loud. On the left side, it has one AC Smart Pit, two super speed USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second signaling speeds. On the right side, it has one HDMI 1.4B, one super speed USB Type-C 5 gigabits per second signaling speed, one headphone or microphone combo, one multi-format SD media card reader. It has no Ethernet LAN connection, but for those who need it, you can also use a converter like this. As an advantage, it has a fingerprint recognition that guarantees secure access and online payments. According to the website, the battery life is 7.25 hours and is fast charging. It has an HP image pad with multi-touch gestures. This multi-touch touchpad supports 4-finger gestures and allows you to scroll, zoom, and navigate with just one touch. It has an anti-glare panel, non-reflective, and low gloss means you will have less glare while you are outside. It is disadvantageous for those who use the laptop late at night because its keyboard has no lights. And this is my video. If you liked it, click the like button, and if you are interested in my channel, press the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!